she is, here she is. Yeah, they jumped up. Where are we going then? Tresco. This is our accommodation for the next 2 weeks.
When the seasons all change, I think you need to be a bit more discreet in the summer.
Let's go upstairs and give you a look at their rooms. Is this your room on the right, Nick? Oh, this is Baz's room. So he's staying there. Nick's staying down there. Spare room there. That's their bathroom. And let's go back down.
It's got just the strap at the back.
It's our kitchen. Our dining room. Now my bathroom. And my bedroom. It's bike weather actually. I suppose I'm on a bike again. I've got a basket. That's the house we done a few years ago actually. That house there. Don't leave me alone. I'm scared. Nick, are you saying hello to yourself?
You.
Don't be knocking me off, not bad. You knob! Have to get you out of that, boy. Yeah, that's the house we're staying in. Just there. Oh, fuck!
Easy.
I didn't know you'd done skids, boy. You going in the church?
No.
You scared?
Jay, that crash will play this good with tape in it.
On tape, it's not the 80s. We've done a job on this church. We've done the roof a few years ago. And I don't know if I've got any pictures, but we took all this side of the church all the way back here. Everything out, put the floor back in. Well, we took the floor out and then put it all back in. Might have some pictures of that somewhere. Do wheelie, Nick. Yeah, boy. Have you just loosened my seat, you knob? You dick.
What, have you been injured?
Yeah. I think might still have some pictures of it. Have you, or you might have some pictures of it. It's definitely not rusty, that train. And it's not slipping either. But we're coming up to the job that we're doing. Dolphin House. Proper ripped it apart. Anyway, updates later.
Are you videoing the bike?
No, I'm going to video it myself. Are you waiting? All right, you're waiting there. We're going to go for tea on our BMXs. Talk, Nick.
I can't.
Right, let's turn the camera around. Oh, I can't, I've got to change it. Right, it's 7 o'clock and we're going for our tea. It's definitely 7 o'clock. Oh shit. It's pitch tooth. We've got time to go to the job, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's like the Blair Witch Project.
Oh, look at the church at night and the grave tombs. Is it showing them? Oh my God.
Remember Mark for that corner?
Hey?
Remember Mark for that corner?
Yeah. He shit himself. We hid on the corner that we just been past. Jumped out on Mark when he was on his way home. He done a little poop. Oh, let me get my breath. Hey, the Merlot's there like it was on a week ago. Let's go and have a look at this. Go on.
Back with 4 wheels.
Hey, go on.
Take a picture of me.
Who's that? I can't see who that is.
Still recording? You recorded?
Yeah, still recording, boy.
That's it for memories, is it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa! Let's go and see what we got. Right. This is where we can do food. See what we've got here.
Not free.
What's that? Gluten free.
Is that from Morgan?
Got some Jesus people over here. I'll just pretend I'm on the phone a minute while it's.
Hopefully then on another one.
Hey? It's not. No. Don't know if that works. I just said pretend I was on the phone there. Alright, see you in a minute. Oh shit. Light. That's a bit better. Yeah?
For the camera.
Yeah. Why?
We need to get past him.
Ah, right, yeah. We're going to do a sneak. Food-wise, 6 out of 8. It's been better. There he is. See you later, Liam. See you later, boy.
What's the point? Food update. It's about 3.
It was what?
About 3, I reckon.
3 out of 8?
3 out of 3.
3 out of 4. I'd give it a 6 out of 8, that one. Nick's on a different score to us. But this is Nick. This is Nick's. Sound like a machine gun. This is Nick's first ride out on the bikes.
Yeah. Just done my CBT and I've won 2 guys, got some power.
Get me! We're going to sneak ahead. We're going to try and jump out on the bus again. Oh wait, he might be talking to Liam for another hour. Like he was the other night.
Nah, we'll wait there.
What, an hour in the rain?
Got BR2s on.
No, he said wait. If we do it at the bottom of the steep hill there.
We won't even know. Oh no, don't do that because he might go for the cottage.
Right, this doesn't look like it's downhill, but it's quite steep down here. Eh? I'm not sure. I think he has. Oh, it's slippy this one, Nick. Are we doing it? Okay. Light off. It's pitch tooth. If he's got a head torch though.
You do the screaming.
No. You do it. No. I can't scream, I'm a guy, you know what I mean?
You know he's scared of the church as well.
Yeah! He's not got a head tooth. Was you scared, boy? There we go. We'll get some helicopter footage in the morning, I think. Getting picked up from there, going to the Heli Chop Chop and the Heli Chop Chop journey. Oh, you've got a wet patch on your bum. Nick, your cup. Welcome to the Tresco heliport. This is the briefing room that you sit in there for 10 minutes before you go on the Heli Chop Chop. You watch the video over there. Helicopter will land over there. And that is it. We've done a week, haven't we, Nick?
Sure haven't, boy.
We're supposed to... Oh, your face wasn't on. Sure, boy. We were supposed to be here for 2 weeks.
but we was here for a week because we're so good. I say we're so good. 2 of us are. This Baz reading a magazine. We should be flying about 10 o'clock. Flight's delayed, so we're going for breakfast, aren't us, boys? Don't want to speak. It's just me speaking to Shy. We do a quick little tour past the Abbey. Fat hand on there.
There, you missed it, you know.
Oh, there it is. You're a monk. You're not allowed to say that word. Look at my hand, I've got no knuckles there. That happened in the bloody bike accident, didn't us? Anyway, this is the front of the Abbey.
That's actually the back.
Is it? Oh, it's the entrance though.
Looks like fly over it.
We've got our BR2s on and wellies. Baz has got his jeans on and trainers. He thought he was doing quick flies. Oh, this is it. This is it, flat out.
It's going to be dead inside by the time we get there.
So the flight was supposed to be at 10 o'clock. It's been delayed till 1. We're going for breakfast. It always happens getting delayed. Cancelled flights. It's 12 o'clock and we're still here. We've been delayed. Till whenever, I don't know. I always try and talk into the camera lens rather than the screen. How does it look? Look better like that or look better like that? I don't know, like that. We've been delayed again. So we're taking a trip round Abbey Gardens and looking at these.
1855, 1889, 17th century, that one.
Baz is the tour guide. Let's have a look at them.
Yeah.
Which one's that? You can pause it and read it if you're interested. No one's interested. That's my favourite one. So that was the tour in there of the figureheads. What are they called? What are they called, Baz? What are they called? Figureheads. Figureheads.
1707.
French cannon from the wreck of. She's some weapon. They're running off. What's he doing? Like I can't see the hoods from 3 miles away. Mark! Nick! Where have you gone? Where are you going now? Oh, we're going to give you a tour of the Abbey. Well, not a proper tour, but a little bit in the Abbey. You're at the Abbey here. Not much to see really. To walk back and get the bugger. Proper camera side here. Look at him whispering. Nick, looks like you've got some head on you there, boy. We've been here since like 9:30 this morning. It's now 3 o'clock and there's a helicopter going from St Mary's over there all the way back to where we want to go, and then it's coming back for us. What do you think about that? What do you think?
Wasted my fucking day as well.
Yeah, it's a waste of a whole day. Apart from me and Nick had a kiss fight.
Passed out with 10 rounds.
I was KO'd after 10 rounds.
please.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Sorry.